Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a no sugar granola bar. To make this granola bar, I'm going to dry roast a few nuts and seeds. So into a saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of pistachio, chop it into little pieces and then add it in. Along with this, add 2 tablespoons of almonds. This also I've chopped it fine and then add it in. Along with this, add 2 tablespoons of melon seeds and 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds. Dry roast all of these seeds and nuts for 2 minutes. Instead of these nuts and seeds, you can add any other nuts or seeds of your own choice. Then add 1 cup of oats. I am using rolled oats. If you don't have rolled oats, you can use instant oats also. Dry roast this oats for about 6 to 7 minutes in medium flame and then keep it aside to cool down. In the meantime, take a mixie jar or a food processor and add 400 grams of de-seeded dates. Along with the dates, I am adding 3/4 cup of figs. I have chopped the figs a little bit and then I am adding it in. Then close the mixie or the food processor and blend it lightly for some time. And in between, open it and mix it up nicely and blend it again. Then add the dry roasted oats, nuts and seeds into the mixie jar. Close the jar again and blend one more time. In between, open it and mix it well. You don't have to make this into a paste, just make sure it all comes together. Then transfer all this mixture onto a plate. Add 1/4 cup of dried grapes to this mixture and mix it all in. You can add any variety of dried grapes that you want. Now at this stage you can make balls out of this and store. If you find that will be easier for you, then take a little bit of the mixture and roll it between the palm of your hands. Make small balls and you can store this. But today I'm going to make this into bars. So I'm taking a baking tray. This is 8 by 8 inches baking tray. Grease the tray with a little bit of oil so that the bars will come out without sticking to it. And then transfer the mixture onto the baking tray and press it nicely. And on top of this mixture, I'm adding a little bit of dried grapes. Now this has to be refrigerated for about 1 hour so that this mixture hardens nicely. After 1 hour, remove it from the fridge and then you can slice it up as you want. So this is it, a very easy and simple no sugar granola bars are ready. These bars taste very delicious even without sugar, butter or oil. You can also cut it into squares. If it will be easier to store as squares, you can make small granola squares like this. You can store these in boxes and then leave it in the fridge. Whenever you want to have one, you can take it from the fridge. So do try out this easy and healthy granola bars. Until next time, bye bye.